I'm doing a bike check on my Mirko Vallejo. The frame's the Mirko. The grips and bar ends are Haro. The bars are nitrous OG bars. The stem's a nitrous trap stem. The forks are Federal. I got an Odyssey Autoskinny tire on it. I got a Haro hub, an Alien Nation PBR rib, random pigs. I got stolen thermalite pedals, black label cranks, black label sprocket, golden KMC chain. I got a Magnil seat post. I got an Animal ASM back tire with an Alien Nation PBR back rim and an Alien Nation hub that I just got relaced with that wheel. And I got a pig. And that is my bike check.